What is a digital product, right? Is it something tangible? Nope. Is it something physical? Nope. Is digital. Again, digital product. So check it out. Let's dive right in. We're about to show you what a digital product is and how you can make your first $100 by using it. All right, let's go. First, we're gonna have to scoot over to Canva real quick, right? So with digital products, it's something that somebody can click on and they can buy directly from you. So you got to have a location on where you're gonna be selling it. So let's go to Stand Store. I have a Stand Store. If you want to create a Stand Store, you can do a free trial, and you can take this whole video and create your first digital product with this video and put it in your Stand Store. The Stand Store will be in the bottom of the description where you can go ahead and click and get you can get a free trial 14 days. All you really need is a couple days and consistency, and you can make you $100. Super simple. All right. Let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. And what we want to do is let's go to templates. Let's do a one sheet, right? So we go here. I'm gonna go ahead and customize this template with our one sheet. So one of the services that I provide, right? Let's go back here, my store. Hope y'all doing well, by the way. So let's click on here. So I create agents, and say for instance, I want this agent. There we go. So I create digital agents, right? And with these digital agents, I have it do things where I can just click in some information from something that I want on ChatGPT, and boom. So this is blogging, right? This is Billy the Billionaire blog, right? And I have him set up as $5. Now all I really need is 20 people to buy this, and then guess what? That's $100. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and copy this link to this store because it's already published. So I'll go to my store, and mind you, you can do this with anything. Go to Billy the blog, copy link, come over here, and then let's change that. This ebook will, let me go back. I'm gonna have to edit a lot. All right, so this is how you do Billy the Blogging Billionaire. All right, I just copy the link to my Stand Store right here. And then when somebody gets the digital product, and then the pricing right there, somebody gets the digital product, they click on it, and there you go. Make 1K online. Also, this ebook will guide you to your first online stream to $1,000. Click here, and then I just go here, make sure that I'm copying the right link. Okay. And then go ahead and right here in this link, click on and copy and paste it. Boom. Done. Let's go ahead and do this whole sheet. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put this sheet inside the Canva, inside this video, so you can see that it's real and you can check it out for yourself. Oh man, you know, ungroup, bail. And then now, what's the next one we want to do? Coaching service, right? I do coaching. Let's say coaching session. There we go. Coaching services, and go in there. You know how to do that. Right here, my services will include in-depth coaching, a guide to transformation and monetary results. All right. Go ahead and make sure that these things are in here look all right. Boom. Just like that, I'm gonna go to my coaching services. And
want to make your first $100 online in less than a day? No experience, no audience, no complicated tech. Use ChatGPT to generate your digital product idea, then design it in Canva in minutes. We're talking ebooks, templates, checklists, done in under 15 minutes. Sell it for just $5. That's 20 sales to hit your first $100 online. Start your digital product side hustle today. Click the link and build your first product now.
Here we go. Go right over here. Type in what? Click here. Okay. Boom. Boom. Done. All right. Last but not least, let's see, what's another digital problem? This one is free. All right. Like I said, build your own stand store. All right. Let's go ahead and copy. Free trial for stand store. Stand.store. Don't need that. 2 weeks free trial for your very own digital store and market. Click here. And right before they charge you, you can always say opt out. What they ended up doing last time that they did that, they ended up giving me a whole nother gave me a whole nother month for free. And then I made my first sale, and then after I made my first sale, it paid for itself. Let's say free. And then what we do is, like I said, they go to the link for there. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and just type in stand store. Stand store. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Online store. So there we go. Let's do something really different. All right, now let's make this mine, because this ain't mine. I don't use that font. I use Antenna. That's my font. That I don't use that color. My brand colors are gold and black. Gold. And that is usually black. I don't know why it's so soft, but oh, that's why. Boom. Put these colors Make that white with the outline. And when it came to Canva, boy, I used to be lit. I used to be like a man. I still am. But then, let's see. Let's click on that. Change the color. So you change it all to, let's see, select black. Same here. Black. Boom. You want to make it readable, right? Now this is just for demonstration only. Why? Because of the fact that branding purpose. You know what? No, let me just do this right. This book is only $9.99. I gotta make sure somebody want to buy it. Well, it's not even $9.99. It's $9. Coaching services is sure more than $24. $97. And this one is, let me make sure that's black too. That's black too. And that's it. So that's how you make a digital product. Not sure how long it took, probably about 10 minutes. How long we on here? 15 minutes? Yep, 15 minutes to change your life. 15 minutes before edits. Yeah, so, yeah. Let me go ahead and stop playing with that. You know, and of course, I gotta, put my insignia on there, or my logo. I get to the logo. Yep, this is that, just that simple. Go. All right, so got my logo. Now let's go ahead and background remove. Boom. And then drag that bad boy up into this corner. Maybe this part is better. There you have it. Your digital one sheet made all through Canva. And I'm going to change all of these to that. You see how easy that was? And you can email this to your database or post it in somebody's Instagram. And what you want to do, make sure you export it as a PDF. Why? So when these links become clickable. Or I'm going to go ahead and copy this and put this inside this video in the description. And there you have it. Your very first digital product. All you have to do is have some links to click in there. You can even put PayPal links in there. You can even put Stripe links in there. There's no excuse for you to make money now because it's a digital era, baby. And it's a creator economy. If you like this content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share it along the way. It's your main man with the game plan, Corey Giovanni, and I'm out. Peace.